you.
Do you like your card?
It's hi, granddaughter, and then you open it.
A boy. Hi, Dad.
Is that a ghost?
Goat. I get goat. A goat here. Go. Okay.
What does a ghost say?
Bah.
Boo!
Can you open it?
Yeah.
What am I doing wrong? I feel like...
That's all we can see in their face.
Oh boy.
Yeah, is it a ghost?
No, baby.
There's something by your feet. What's by your feet? What dropped on the ground? Can you see? Lila. What is that? What is that? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It's that.
What is it? Can you turn it over? Are they stickers? Stickers? Can you use your words?
Big.
You want to ask Daddy?
You want a sticker? Where do you want it? Where would you like your sticker? On your hand? Right here? There you go.
Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
You want another sticker?
Yeah.
Or where would you like the other sticker? On this hand?
Here.
Here you go.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Can you give Grandma a smile?
Bye, Grandma.
You putting the sticker on me now?
Yeah.
Grandma wrote stickers for Lila, not stickers for Daddy.
Mm-hmm.